Hello student, in this video we talk about user role in WordPress. There are 5 types of user role in WordPress. So first is administrator. So admin, it can change all settings in WordPress. For example, edit content, delete content, edit or remove any user, edit or remove any plugin, and edit or remove any themes and your WordPress. All the changings must be done by administrator, right? So admin have access all the settings of your WordPress dashboard. And the second is editor. Editor, it can edit content, publish and review the content of other authors, right? It cannot publish, change any theme or any plugin. And the third is author. Right, author can edit his own content and publish his content, but does not edit of any other user content. So if someone is an author on your website, so he can manage his own content, right, and publish it, but not manage to any other user content. And the fourth is contributor. Contributor only write content for your blog, but not publish his any content. Contributor does not allow to publish any content, but contributor allow to write content for your blog. And admin or the editor can publish the contributor content, right? And the 5 is subscribers. It only see his own profile, and subscribers not write any content on your blog or publish anything. It only see the blog content, right? So how to edit admin, editor and author in your WordPress website? So go to your WordPress dashboard and then go to users and click on all users to see the all users. So my website has 1355 author and 1 admin. Because I have I does not want to have any subscriber, because I want to publish content on my website to organically grow my website. So this way I manage. I have added all the authors, not to contributor and not to any subscriber. From here you can change these roles, right? From here first you edit a user, so click on edit new. And from here you write your username. So I write the username. From here I write the username, right? NWSTARKALAY, circle. And from here I write my email, Pareshan. From here I change, right? And first name and the last name, and from here you write your website URL, right? So I write my website URL, the Google AdSense, right? And from here you generate your password or remove this password and edit your password, right? I edit a password. So it's a weak password, but click on confirm of use of weak password, and from here you choose the role. It's show by default author because I set the default role is author. And from here you see the SEO editor, SEO manager, subscriber, contributor, author, editor or administrator. From here I choose the editor role, right? So click on editor and then click on edit new user. So the user is added. From here you see the editor role, right? So click on editor role. And from here it is the editor role, right? It is my email address, and I save my password, right? And then now I log out from my admin area and log into my editor role, right? I have log out as admin. I have logged out from my website, and now I log in as editor. So it is my username and it is my password, and then click on login. And from here I log again on editor, and so I have click on edited, all the pages added, profile, and right. Now I is login as my editor role, right? NW Pareshan, my username. I login as editor. So from here you does not see the plugin area, and you does not see as a theme area, but you see the post to manage as editor. The manage all the post, and editor manage all the all your pages, all your media, and all your profile, right? And all your setting, but the setting is limited. There is nothing show, only the setting is showing sharing, right? So I log out from my as an editor, and now I again log in on my admin. So click on admin and click on as admin, and then log in. So now I log in as an admin, right? And now you see the plugin, right? And now you see the pages, and from here you see the appearance, the themes. And in editor role you does not see the plugin, and you does not see the themes. And in setting you only show the sharing, not any that information. It only access to the admin, right? Now we edit from here. Again go to the all user, and from here edit author, right? And from here author already. So from here we create a contributor. There is no contributor, so click on edit new to edit and to make an contributor, right? So click on it, write his username, contributor. From here email is required, because if you have lost your password, from email you record your password, right? From here I edit this email address, right? Enter your website name. From here you enter your password, right? I enter my password and then confirm my weak password, and then choose your the contributor, and from here you edit your new user, right? So you see the contributor option. One contributor is already is added, so save it and then click on contributor. And you see the contributor role, right? Now I log out from my as an admin and log in as an contributor to see how look like the dashboard, right? From here the contributor, it is the password show admin 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 and login, right? Because I have deleted this contributor after this video, right? So don't write this password. So it is show the contributor area. Contributor also use the tools, not only sees profile, Gutenberg, right, and see the post, all the post, and from here he added new post, but does not allow to publish any post. So dear student, it is the users of and the roles of the WordPress administrator. It has the 5 roles, and in some also an SEO manager and SEO editor also added the more to option which manage your website SEO. Thank you for watching for this video.